Hi, and welcome back to Lasertrade Lessons. Today, it is Lesson 2, How to Spot a Good Entry. We at Lasertrade use a simple strategy to be successful. The W.I.N strategy. It may sound funny, but we'll explain it to you in a second. Here are our 3 magic entry tips to get the most out of your trade. First, wait a bit. Second, inspect the last hours of the market. And third, never get emotional. Let's start with number 1. Most of our signals are relative and not absolute, which means when they come in, don't open up your account and place the trade on the same second. In the first example, you see candlestick bars, just like in your MetaTrader. We covered this in Lesson 1. The first candlestick is bluish, and at the end of the candlestick, a signal appears. In the first example, you see the small rising of the second candle, but then it falls and stops even under the last candle. This would have been a perfect put. In example 2, however, you'll see what can also happen. A put signal appears, but you are not ready yet, because the next candlestick is also growing. So don't risk it and wait if it changes direction. In this case, it does. And you have to practice timing to get a good entry and take the money. Number 2, inspect the last hours. As we know, the past can predict the future, at least it builds upon it. So, if you get a call signal and check your charts for a 20-minute time frame, you might think, damn, that's a safe call. It never went lower, and it's very steep. But when you check the time frame for 2 hours, you see that actually the call is still okay, but not perfect. The curve reached its all-time low for 2 hours before, so it might drop again. And this is how it happens until it is slowly coming back up again. The last step is the most important one. Here is a small list of things to avoid. Wait until the compensating note is appearing. If you fail to trade on silver, don't try to double the trade size and take the same trade again. Resist the temptation. Here's a small example. If you are taking one $20 trade a day and win it, you will have a profit of $14. Multiply it with all work days in a month, and you will result in a steady income of $280 a month. This is no magic and easily achievable. After the first month, you can double your trade size without problem and double your earnings, just with one trade a day. In the end, try to stick with our formula and you'll get great results. Next lesson is about proper and useful money management.